Hi there. In this time of sheltering at home, which means educating at home, we're having to reinvent ourselves. Right now, I can't come and spend the day with you, walk around your tables, look over your shoulder, give you tips and advice. But what I can do, and am doing now with organizations, is give your group an hour's webinar. I've been using Zoom for years to meet with groups, and I can accommodate up to 100 screens, which of course you'd never need. Here's how the hour works. For the first 30 minutes, I'll walk you through how our learners with Down syndrome most easily and quickly learn to read. Then for 10 minutes, I'll explain how my reading program, Special Reads, works to meet the requirements of a truly effective reading program. Then the last 20 minutes will be Q&A, and I'll just keep answering questions until there aren't any more. That's it. If you want to talk to me about beaming me into your group for an hour, just use the comments below, or you can contact me at the contact information on the next slide. See you later.